Okay, so today I'm going to be doing the microfilters and the cabin air filter on the X6. So I've always known about these, the charcoal activated microfilters that go right here. But what I didn't know is that the car actually had a cabin air filter inside the cabin. So we'll be going through today and doing those three filters. So first things first, you'll see me time-lapse through the real quick stuff, which are the two carbon microfilters right here on your left. Okay, so with that done, see, it was a very simple process. It took me 9 minutes over the span of the entire video. 13 mils quarter turn fasteners all the way through, and you have that. Now let's get into the cabin air filter part of this. Alright, so cabin air filter should be under this panel right here, which is underneath the glove box. What I see are 3 Phillips. So let's start with that. I don't know if you can see it yet, but it's right here. It's actually uncovered, and this wiring harness was digging into it, so I think when I put this back together, I'm going to zip tie it this way. There's a bunch of Torx fasteners, because this vent needs to come down before I can take off the clip to this guy. So these are all a bunch of Torx T20s. And I see 1, 2, 3, maybe, I think I see 4 of these bolts. And if you didn't see what I just did, I just pulled this footwell vent straight out towards you, and that comes off. What I'm finding is that there's actually enough slack in this vent that I don't think you need to take the entire vent off. You could just take two of these screws off, and then this guy should be able to come off. So this is the clip that holds your micro air filter that just came off, and then I can just pop the air filter out. Now it's a soft filter, which is why I don't think I need to take out the entire vent, as you can see right here. So, like I said before, the wiring harness was digging into it, so it's a little deformed, but it is a soft filter. Here's my new guy. Again, airflow direction, so I'm putting it in this way, so the airflow goes from the right side to the left side, and we should be good to go. And well, not sure how the camera angle caught everything, but there you have it. It took about 20 minutes total for both the microfilter and the cabin filter. Pretty simple stuff with pretty simple hand tools. So enjoy. Thank you for watching.